guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you my tripod 3366-S. So I bought this here in Hong Kong for 155 Hong Kong dollar, and I'm going to send this to Philippines to my son because he bought a new Canon camera, so he can use this whenever he do the Photoshop. And this is very useful because they are always going to the city to have a Photoshop for their school activities. So before I open this, I am going to show you once again my old selfie stick 360 rotation. So this is the box, the old box. I still keep it, and this is the selfie stick 360 rotation. So this one have 3 legs, and both 3 legs have AAA batteries, and there is a power on here. The power on is here, and this one is rotating whenever you use it, but you have to connect it to your Live 360. So you have to install Live 360 from your Play Store, and then you connect to your device. So this is your device, and whenever you use it, so you can connect it to your Live 360, and you can choose which apps you are going to use. Like for example, you are going to use Facebook Live, YouTube, or just the camera. So you can choose and select which one you are going to use. So this one is good for live streaming and only inside the house, because this one can detect the objects. So if you are going to use this outside, it will follow whatever object can detect. So this one is good only inside the house. So this one is good for me. I like it very much. So I bought this for 250 something Hong Kong dollar. I'm not so sure. I removed the price already, but this is more than 250 Hong Kong dollar. So this one is good. And also I have this a selfie stick. I buy this online on Facebook, and I regret a little bit because this one is a bit expensive. But if you buy this in the shop, you can buy this only for $80 or less, or a little bit more, but not more than 100 Hong Kong dollar. So this is the selfie stick that I bought in online. So this one also have a Bluetooth, and you can extend also. And the good thing for this is the stand. They are 3, and also there is a supporting in the middle. So this selfie stick is good. So only I regret the price, but when using this one, I like also when this product, because you can fold this one. You can fold this one, and you can put inside your bag, and it's very convenient. And this one are the cheapest selfie stick that I have before I bought this product. So this one also have a selfie stick, Bluetooth, and this selfie stick can extend also, and it has also 3 legs, but it's not very strong. So this one is the old model. You can insert this to your telephone. So this one is the old style. So I have these 2, 3, and 4. So I have these 4. So maybe next time I will buy the stabilizer so that my video will become much better whenever I take video outside, because usually I take video here in Hong Kong, all the views of and beautiful view in Hong Kong. So you can check also my playlist. I have a lot of videos here in Hong Kong. And now I will show you my tripod. So this one for the camera, for mobile phone. So this one is good because you can put it, my son can put it on his back. This one is very strong because the legs are bigger. So you can put here the camera, and also you can put here for mobile phone. And this one, the purpose of this is to move the camera, or can roll also. Need to adjust only this one, so you can move left and right or up and down. And then I'm going to show you how long it is. So this one is good because this is very strong, guys. So this is very useful for my son. So this is my second extension. So again, and the third extension. So this third extension is a bit stronger also. Yeah, this one is good. Like that. I see also one small kind of this tripod, and when you extend the legs are very thin and small, so it's not good when you take video or a photo shoot outside, especially if windy, because the wind will blow it so easily. So this one is very strong because it's bigger, and it's very convenient only when using this outside. So that's all, guys, for today's, and I hope you like my video, and please check also my other videos, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Rock Crystal G. Thank you for watching. Bye.